Hello aspirants, if you have qualified NCHMCT JEE 2026, watch this video carefully because I'll explain the complete counseling schedule in just 3 minutes. Let's begin. The NCHMCT JEE 2026 result was declared on 22nd May 2026. The first important step is registration and choice filling, which will be open from 1st June to 4th June 2026. During this period, candidates must register on the counseling portal, pay the registration fee of 2,000 and fill their preferred IHM choices. The round 1 seat allotment will be processed on 5th June and the result will be declared on 6th June 2026. If you are allotted a seat, you must upload documents, complete verification, choose freeze or float option and pay the seat acceptance fee of 20,000 between 7th and 9th June 2026. After this, NCHMCT will calculate vacant seats on 10th June and publish the vacancy list on 11th June 2026. The final round registration and choice filling will take place from 12th to 14th June 2026. Final round seat allotment will be processed on 15th June and the result will be declared on 16th June 2026. Candidates allotted seats in the final round must complete document verification between 17th and 19th June 2026. Next comes the most important stage, physical reporting. All selected candidates must report to their allotted institute between 20th June and 24th July 2026 with all original documents. For hostel seekers, hostel allotment processing will be done on 15th July and hostel allotment results will be announced on 16th July 2026. Finally, the new academic session will commence on 27th July 2026. Remember, before reporting, always contact your allotted IHM for the latest admission and hostel instructions. Comment your rank below and I'll help you identify the best IHM options based on your score. Thank you and all the best for your hospitality career.
कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए राना एजुकेशन को और करें अपने NCHMCT JEE UGC NET का सपना साकार। डाउनलोड द ऐप नाउ।